So just sitting quietly, feeling yourself held by the earth and by gravity. Take a couple of moments to pay attention to your breath and let your insides and outsides catch up to each other. As you continue to breathe, when you inhale, imagine what you're inhaling air, certainly, but also energy and love and strength. As you inhale, imagine it traveling through your body, all the cleansing oxygen. Maybe you'd like to keep it at that level. But if you're a little more on the woo woo side, maybe you would imagine bringing in the energy of the planet or all the loving kindness that the world is putting out. Not everybody, but lots and lots of people. Breathe that in and spread it through your body. And maybe when you exhale, you might imagine releasing the carbon dioxide that you no longer need. Maybe the tension or the stress that you no longer need. As you do each inhale, bringing in the good, the healing, the cleansing, the oxygen, and you send it throughout your body, start to notice what part of your body is the part that you feel the best about. Where do you feel strong or healthy or loving? Maybe it's your brain because you're such an amazing thinker. Or perhaps it's your feet or your legs because you can hike and they're so strong. Maybe it's your hands because you're an artist or you do crafts and your hands are so important as a tool in your life. Maybe it's your left arm that you broke when you were 7 and it has grown and healed now that as an adult, it's the strongest part of your body. So continue to inhale and bringing in the cleansing and the energy and the strength, the oxygen. And as you send it through your entire body, start to focus it a little bit more on that part of your body that you feel gratitude toward. You exhale, allow all of the unneeded to go out. As you inhale into that part of your body that is your friend, imagine that it has a color. I always think of mine as a cool blue light. Maybe it's a warm color because it's imbued with the energy of the earth that comes from the fire deep within. Perhaps it's green because of growth and life, or it glows a beautiful gold. Focusing on that part of your body that you feel such love and gratitude for, and seeing the light glowing in there. And as you focus, imagine that that light becomes brighter, and borrow from that part of your body and expand that glow throughout your body. Until your entire body is suffused with the light and the color. And the gratitude and the love. Slowly, as this color and all the great feelings that come with it from that part of your body expands throughout, imagine that it just goes outside your skin, almost like maybe an aura for those folks who see auras. This you're in charge of. Now just take a moment to see how far out from your body it wants to go. This gratitude and love. Maybe you have a 2 or 3 inch glow all around the shape of your body. I like to imagine that mine expands out into sort of a globe of light and energy surrounding me. And remember that what is part of this light and energy is that love and gratitude that's held in the core of that part of your body that you feel love and gratitude about. This light, this glow on the outside of your body that comes from within is yours. It's your filter. Everything that comes into you goes through this light, this warm or cool glow of energy and light. And because it's filtered, it comes in a beautiful way that serves you. Now, slowly but surely begin to absorb the light and the energy back into your body. So it's contained within your skin. And then imagine that it begins to pull back in toward that part of your body where it originated. And it becomes a small ball of intense light and energy that lives right there where your gratitude lives. This is yours, always available to you. Let's take a moment to express your gratitude and your love for this light and energy, and also, once again, for your body that holds it. And take a couple of breaths that you pay attention to. Of course, we've been breathing, but now focus on your breath for a moment, breathing in the oxygen, the cleansing and the renewing, and exhaling any remaining worries or stressors. When you're ready to open your eyes, do it slowly by covering your face with your hands, like you're playing peekaboo with a young child. Notice that with your eyes closed and your hands over your eyes, that it's even darker. And then slowly open your eyes with your hands covering them so that the light comes in very slowly. And as you're ready, spread your fingers and allow more light. And when the buffer is enough, then you can remove your hands and your eyes will be open. But highly sensitive people, sometimes you might need 3 or 5 minutes for opening your eyes. I like to think of it as at the end of a yoga practice, when you lay on your mat and there's a fancy name for it, but basically you are in deep rest because of all the breathing and movement. That's what I like to think of it as. Where is your deep rest?